Welcome back to the channel Brilliant Minds by Nero. Class 10 students, I have brought a new topic for you, that is how you can insert objects in MS Word document. This is according to your syllabus, students. This is the topic you can see here, inserting objects. So I'm going to start with, my cursor is here, and now I want to insert some objects. What I have to do? First of all, go to Insert tab, Insert menu. On the right side, you will find this option, Text. This is the group or section, you can say. In the text section, you will find this option, that is Object, Inserting Objects. Click here. A small dialog box will be opened for you when you will be clicking on Object. See here, create new. Suppose I want to create a bitmap image, that I can create. I can insert any Excel chart, any graph, in a PowerPoint slide, also anything. I'll show you 3 or 4 examples of each, students. So like this you can insert. First I'm going to select the bitmap image, that you know very well, that is created, bitmap is always created in Paint. Okay, I'm clicking on OK button. See, a new window will be opened for you. In that, I'll be creating a small bitmap image for you. Okay. Now, in this, I'm going to insert a round, a circle. Okay. Just click here, select the circle. Okay. I'm going to drawing it. I've drawn it. I want to change the color. I want to fill the color. Red color I want to fill. Yes. Okay, I'm filling. That's the simple thing. I just want to show you that it is inserted in your MS Word. Just click somewhere outside. See, the bitmap image is there in your document. That has been inserted. Fine. I'm going to select it and delete it because I want to show you something else. Now again, I'm going to text section here in the insert menu. Here you will find the object. See, again I'm repeating the steps. Click here, and now I'm going to take MS Excel worksheet. Okay, Microsoft Excel worksheet. I want to insert it. I want some data from Excel. So how you can do it? It takes few seconds because Excel worksheet will be inserted here itself, and in that I'll be inserting few data just to show you how you can insert, and that will be inserted in your MS Word document. Just wait for few seconds. Similarly, I'll be showing you how you can insert any chart or even PowerPoint slide also. See here, the Excel worksheet has been inserted. Fine. So I can type here. Suppose I want to type here names, and here in B cell, marks, I'm going to enter the marks also. 34, I want to make it 56, then 85. Okay, names, NNN, GGG, any name you can type here, any data you can type here. Okay, it is done, but I'll be clicking outside somewhere here in your worksheet. Outside the worksheet, see, it has been inserted with all the data here. Like this you can insert your Excel worksheet. I'm going to undo it. I don't need that anymore. It was just a sample. Now again I'm going there. I'll be inserting something else to show you how you can insert. Okay, now I want to insert MS Excel chart. Okay, click here. It will again take few seconds to insert the chart. The softwares are of course compatible. See here, the chart is here. Fine, the chart, it has been shown to you, and in that you can make the changes also as you wish. Okay, you can click here and do whatever you wish to. I'm going to undo it. Now again I'm going to insert something else. I will be inserting a PowerPoint slide. See, PowerPoint slide is there. Means anything. So many options are given to you in the dialog box. You can choose anyone according to your requirement. Click here to type. Okay, I want to type here information technology. Okay, click here. and I want to type here 4402. Okay, now I can do any formatting, any change you want to here. You can change it. You can color. You can fill the color also. I want to fill this color, suppose that has been filled. Here also you can fill some other color like this. You can do anything, just, and then you can select this. You can change it to bold. You can change the size also, color also, whatever you wish to change, like this. Just click outside the box and that will be inserted like this. Fine. So similarly, you can insert any text from the file. You must be having some files on your computer, on your device. From here, you can choose, suppose a file has been shown here, CBSE Practical, and I'm clicking on this and click on insert button. And the file contents will be inserted. See here, the contents are here. Okay, I'm going to undo it. But before completing it, I want to tell you something very important about this feature. Number one, embedded objects cannot be printed. जो आप embed करें objects को, that cannot be printed. Second, the person opening your document must have the relevant software loaded on the computer to operate the embedded file. Suppose आपने यहाँ पे Excel की file embed की है, आपने you have sent the file to one of your known person, your friend, तो उनके वहां पर अगर वो ओपन नहीं हो रही है, द रीजन कुड बी कि वहां पर उनके पास एक्सेल नहीं है, या पावर पॉइंट का आपने कुछ उसमें इंसर्ट किया है आपने ऑब्जेक्ट, एंड दैट विल बी सेंड, द फाइल विल सेंड टू योर नोन पर्सन, योर फ्रेंड और योर कोलीग, बट उसके अंदर उनका वो सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं होगा, अगर जो आपने इंसर्ट किया है तो आपका वो शो नहीं करेगा. Number 3, if you embed an object, the size of your document increases significantly. आपका जो वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट है उसका साइज इतना ज्यादा नहीं होता, बिकॉज टेक्स्ट एंड हार्डली एनी फॉर्मेटिंग. आपने कुछ कलर दे दिया, बैकग्राउंड कलर, बॉर्डर्स, बोल्ड एंड इटैलिक्स, आपने कुछ फॉन्ट के साइजेस, कलर्स दिए, आपने फॉन्ट फेस दिया, बट दैट इज नॉट वेरी मच, एंड दिस मे कॉज प्रॉब्लम्स इन ईमेलिंग द डॉक्यूमेंट एज एन अटैचमेंट. अगर आप उस डॉक्यूमेंट को मेल करना चाहते हैं तो उसमें प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है, बिकॉज यू हैव एम्बेडेड एन ऑब्जेक्ट इन इट. Number 4, if you link an object, the person opening that document must have a direct connection to the original file location of the object. अब एक फाइल है जो मैंने यहाँ पर आपके सामने इंसर्ट किया, बट दैट इज इन माय कंप्यूटर. तो आपको, अगर मैं ये आपको डॉक्यूमेंट अगर भेजूंगी, यू वॉन्ट बी एबल टू ओपन दैट फाइल, क्योंकि आपके डिवाइस में वो फाइल नहीं होगी, तो उसका प्रॉपर लिंक, डायरेक्ट लिंक नहीं है आपके पास. So these were the important things I wanted to tell you about inserting an object. I hope that is very much clear to you, students. And please do subscribe the channel if you have not yet subscribed it. And do watch my videos. All the videos you must watch. Do not miss any video. All the best, students.